TJ Tennant, the Tyre Guy here, wanting to talk to you. Like that, you can possibly void the warranty on your rim and inspect that tire internally and externally to ensure there's no damage to that tire. I guess the crane is agreeing with me. Okay, we should tire repair in a different video. So, but today, passenger and light truck. We're all about passenger and light truck repairs. We're going to talk about commercial truck Also be aware that even with a proper repair, you could lose the speed rating on your high performance tires, and what that means is maximum speed is generally then 85 miles per hour. Who the hell is Okay. Thanks, guys. I and the tire manufacturers highly recommend that you take that tire to an authorized tire. What the hell?